Crackling flames in a driftwood ring. Old six string is starting to sing. The waves hush and soft like a whispered tune, while the stars write stories across the moon. You're wearing that hoodie I left in your car, barefoot dancing with a mason jar. I pour the shine, you flash that smile. We ain't felt this free in a long, long while. These beach bonfire nights, glowing in your eyes like the world slowed down just to feel alive. Laughter rolling louder than the tide, wrapped in a blanket, you by my side. Your hand in mine feels just right, sip by sip in the firelight. I found forever in the flickering light of these beach bonfire nights. Friends tell tales that grow with the flame, ghost stories and the old nickname. Somehow we always end up close, hearts beating quiet when the crowd gets ghost. You lean your head on my flannel sleeve, said you never thought peace could be this sweet. And I knew right then, with the fire burning low, you're my home no matter where we go. These beach bonfire nights, glowing in your eyes like the world slowed down just to feel alive. Laughter rolling louder than the tide, wrapped in a blanket, you by my side. Your hand in mine feels just right, sip by sip in the firelight. I found forever in the flickering light, these beach bonfire nights. Smoke rises, stars keep falling. Somewhere the sun rises, softly calling. But baby, I swear I could stay right here with you till the break of day. These beach bonfire nights, they live in my soul like the sparks that dance when the embers glow, where love feels real and hearts unfold. You and me never growing old. Your hand in mine feels just right, kissing you slow in the firelight. I'll love you past these starry skies, thanks to beach bonfire nights. Beach bonfire nights, beach bonfire